Shai, can you show us how to make a flare connection? Okay, Shai, so now we have a flare that is not good. You see that it has a pinch and it's not even. Okay, Shai, you take the copper cutting tool and you cut it just like this. Great. Great. Now you take the reamer pen and put out the debris from the copper pipe, just like this. Yes. We take the flaring tool and put it pipe inside the flaring tool, just like this. We close it. We see that this is in a straight line. Okay. And now we turn it inside till we hear a click. Okay. Okay, you heard the click. Now we open the flaring tool. Okay. Great. We put it out. Okay, Sean, you see the flaring? It is even and it's fit 100% to the flare nut. Okay, thank you very much, Shai. Do you want to show them another copper pipe? Now we take the flaring tool and put it in the 3/8 place. We close the flaring tool. We see here that this is in a straight line. The copper pipe is a straight line with the tool. We turn it in until we hear a click. Okay. Okay, that's it. Now we open the tool and you will see the flaring that we just did to the copper pipe. Okay. Okay, you can see this is even and it's 45 degrees angle. If you have comments, please leave them below. Have a nice day and see you soon. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.